Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the barrel cube. And this is just basically just like the 3 by 3. So if you guys know how to solve the 3 by 3, it will be very easy for you. If you don't know how to solve the 3 by 3, then you can still follow my steps and learn how to solve this cube. So I'll jumble this cube up. Now as you can see that this is jumbled, so we are going to solve the white cross first. So it's just like, as you can see, that this whole pink color is the middle layer, so we can just put this white edge piece anywhere we want, like over here. So we're going to put this edge piece over here, and we are going to match it like this. So we are going to do the same thing over here. We are going to match it over here, and then we are going to put this up over here. And now this is the edge piece over here, so match this up as well, and this white cross is done. Now the same thing, we need to put the corner piece and like this, as you saw. And now do the same thing over here, and this white side is solved. So now we are going to put this white side down like this, and we are going to solve this middle layer over here. So if you guys know how to solve, so like I'm going to show you this algorithm. First, this is the top, this is the right, this is the left, and this is the right. So we are going to go anti-clockwise. So we are going to put this edge piece over here. So anti-clockwise, so U prime, this is U, and anti-clockwise, then this is L. So L anti-clockwise, then again U, and then put this edge piece back over here, and then U. Now this was R, U prime, and then we put this edge piece over here. Now you do the same thing, U prime, R, U prime, R, U prime, L, and then this middle layer is solved. So when you solve the 3 by 3, then that time there's a dot, an L, a line, and a cross. But over here we came across a parody. So in the parody, it have like this cube will have a parody, because we don't know which edge piece will go where, because we are just like doing as the color. So I'm going to show you this algorithm for that as well. So the algorithm is L, U, L prime, U2, that means clockwise 2 times, L, U2, L prime, U, R, U prime, and then now we got the L stage. And now we are again going to do, like we are going to do a different algorithm. F, L, U prime, L, U, and then we are going to do it again for this, and then the cross is done. And now we are going to put the corners. So like before, like we can just do this but then it does not affect that much. So we are just going to do R prime D prime RD. D means like the bottom layer. So as you guys know, this is R and R prime, and then D prime R D. As you guys know that right now this white side is getting jumbled. You don't need to worry about that right now. You just focus on like putting the corners. So you're doing it again. So after when the yellow corner is put, don't forget to do like this again, because if you forget to do that, then the cube will get messed up. So you have to do that. And now this cube is solved. If you guys learned something new, make sure to smash that like button, and also please subscribe to my channel because I post every single week and there is something new coming up next week. So bye.